This is lecture 3, part 2. In this lecture, I will discuss the construction and working principle of biprism. Biprism is an optical device to produce two coherent sources for interference phenomenon of light by the division of wavefront. A biprism is made of a combination of two acute angle prisms placed base to base. The obtuse angle of the biprism is 179 degree, and other two acute angles are 30 minutes. For the construction of biprism, a thin glass plate is taken and one of its face is crowned and polished till a prism is formed with an angle of about 179 degree and two side angles of the order of 30 minutes. Biprism is used to obtain two coherent sources for interference phenomenon of light. In the figure, S is a narrow slit of monochromatic light. The light from the slit S is allowed to fall symmetrically on the surface of the biprism. When light from the slit S gets incident on the lower portion ZF of the biprism, after emerging from the biprism, the rays bend upward and appear to come from the virtual source S1. Similarly, light from the source S gets incident on the upper portion ZE of the biprism. After emerging from the biprism, the rays went downward and appear to come from the source S2. The cones of light A S1C and B S2D diverging from S1 and S2 are superimposed, and the interference fringes are formed in the overlapping region BC of the screen. The source S1 and S2 act as a coherent source as they produce from the same source S, and this source S1 and S2 produce interference pattern on the screen.